In this work, a food safety management system approach was designed for an African aviation company, food supplier. I am presenting a part of a broader study and a broader work that was performed by Salma Somas, Professor Custodia Mucavelo, and myself in an aviation catering. Uh, Aviation catering needs a rigorous food production and service because these meals will be served in flight, and any fail or any flaw might have serious consequences. HACCP, the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point methodology, is recognized as one of the most easy and also most accessible food safety management systems. And so we did an approach trying to design and to to implement a tailor-made HACCP system in this aviation catering. The goal was to provide to have a better food safety management system, and we went through a lot of challenges to do so. In order to understand our the original state of the art regarding the food safety management system in this aviation company catering, we performed a series of audits, food safety management system audits that were performed by an internal team of auditors. So these audits were performed in different days to cover all production processes from raw materials to final products and to meal transport. The audit checklist was conceived especially for the premises and for the safety system that we were analyzing. And it considered good hygiene and good manufacturing practices requisites as well as HACCP requisites. It had more than 150 requisites to be covered and analyzed during, verified during the audit procedures. After this initial and starting point, audit results were outlined and used to assist the implementation, the design and the implementation of the food safety management system. So in this second part, or in the second step of our methodology, we revised the existing food safety management system, and we revised the existing food safety management system, and we implemented an HACCP approach focused on the production processes rather than on final products. We also used ISO standards in order to validate our microbiological assessment criteria. On to results, we outlined three main production processes. So we chose to group our meals in three main production processes that were uh, cold meals, cooked meals, and cooked meals served warm. Cold meals had no cooking step, while cooked meals had the cooking step, then the chilling, and then the cold holding. So they were a product of the cook chill method. And the cooked meals had served warm. They had the cooking step followed by the hot holding step, which went through the in-flight service. Um, of course, that in our audit, we found that major and minor non-conformities were linked to hygiene procedures, mainly to personal hygiene and to general hygiene procedures. And so some unexpected results from microbiological assessments came up, and they were related to coagulase positive bacillococci and to E. coli, but these were not directly related to the production process, but to flaws and to fails linked to personal hygiene and general hygiene practices. There were several challenges that the HACCP team had to go through and had to consider during the time frame. So the main challenges were those related to suppliers control, especially raw products, raw materials, suppliers control, the ones related to layout and certain revision of the premises that were also needed, and the others were related to staff training, which is fundamental and I would say of utmost importance, and it should always assist any food safety management system implementation or revision. Staff training is fundamental. So regarding the work done, we think that production of in-flight meals needs a think global, act local approach. So we need to act local, but still we need to think global, considering the distribution and the consumption moment of the produced meals. There is a need for a specific food safety management system designed for aviation catering due to the particularities linked to this kind of food service. This is a very particular food service. And our approach confirmed that verification and validation, these uh, principles of HACCP, but also of the food safety management system, are fundamental to reinforce the remaining HACCP principles. So, although verification and validation um, come in the end of the HACCP principles, they are key in order to check and to validate our food safety management system. Uh, Thank you. I would like to know if you have any questions, please just let me know and I'll be happy to assist you.